When you turn the camera on, there's this blue light that turns on with the camera.
Some of you guys have asked in the comments which cameras do I use to make these videos. The answer to that, it depends and it varies. Sometimes I would use my M50. Sometimes I would use this GoPro. So especially if I'm outside and making these videos, it's pretty easy and convenient to just carry it out and make videos. I don't make vlogs anymore, but when I used to, this was very helpful for B-roll videos or even for the videos that I used to make in my car. Sometimes I would use this iPhone. It has a pretty solid camera, so makes good videos. Most of the times when I'm just inside this room in my office sitting here, in those cases I mostly use this camera. This is a Logitech c920 Pro HD webcam, and we're going to be reviewing this camera in this video. So if you want to know more about this camera, I've tried to cover all the information that I have about this camera. I've been using it for about a couple of months, so hopefully I'd be able to give you the information that I have related to this camera. So stick till the end of the video. Though you're watching me on the video, I'm using the C920 right now to get more information about it. Before we begin, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's go ahead and watch the video now.
So this is the Logitech c920 Pro HD webcam. This is a full HD webcam that you can use for video calls. It is 1080p 30 fps autofocus and nothing much on the box. We're going to be reviewing this camera. We're going to see how the video looks like. So we'll connect it with my PC and we'll do a video test. But this is what's written on the box. So it's HD, full HD 1080p video calls plus autofocus. It also has stereo audio with dual mics and then Logitech capture software, which you can use to easily create, record and customize settings with their capture app. I've already opened the box and set up my camera. This is the camera right here, the Logitech C920. It says HD 1080p on the camera. You can easily mount this camera on a monitor. I had it mounted over here on my monitor, and I can also mount it on my laptop right here or on my MacBook. So it's very easy to do so. The mounting setup is very good, very solid. I really liked it, and it's pretty easy. You don't have to go through any hassle. Right now this is on a tripod. I actually deliberately mounted it on a tripod because it's easier for me, because I sit here and it's facing towards me directly, and the background is a plain pure white wall, so that's why it's a little easier for me. You can set it up on your monitor as well. Now before we go ahead and do the video test, I want to mention a couple of things here. You guys can see that it comes with two different mics. So it has a stereo mic, but I don't usually use the mic because the quality isn't that good. One reason may be because there's a lot of echo in my room, as you guys might be able to hear, which is one of the reasons I have this right in front of me. So it reduces the echo slightly. But apart from that, the quality isn't as you might expect. So if you're buying this particular camera just because it has the mic, you might probably not end up using it. So, just think about it. But if you want to buy this camera for the video quality, then I'm pretty sure you would not be disappointed because the quality is pretty solid. This is the cable of the camera. So I have connected this, as you guys can see, all the way there. I've connected it with my PC. It's a USB cable. It's a USB type A. So you can connect it with pretty much anything. It's plug and play. You don't have to go through any driver installation, software installation. Simply connect it to any PC, laptop. It works with Windows, MacBooks, even Linux. The device detects your camera automatically and pretty much instantly. Plug it in and start using it. Let me go ahead and turn my PC on and I'll show you guys how the quality looks. You guys will get a comparison as well, because I know that a lot of you have been asking me which camera do I use to make these videos. I'm gonna quickly open up OBS Studio, just turn my PC on. Okay, so I've just opened up OBS Studio and this is the camera. Let me just go ahead and full screen this for a moment. Okay, now you guys can see that this is the quality, right? So if I move the camera towards me, by the way, when you turn the camera on, there's this blue light that turns on with the camera. Now you guys can see I use it for my video calls, Zoom calls, Google Hangouts, and I've noticed that from the day I started using it, like people have been asking me which camera is this, the quality is pretty good, right? So it's pretty good, although it's not very cheap. Trust me, if you want to get a solid camera, especially in Pakistan, it's not that easy, right? Webcams are very expensive here. I'm not sure if you're watching this video from India or United States, you might be able to get this camera at a cheaper price because the market's there, but in Pakistan it is slightly expensive. I bought it of around 22,000 Pakistani rupees. So just keep that in your mind. The quality is looking pretty solid. I can go ahead and make a full review of this. I know this is a very short video, but if you want, I can make a full review where I can show you guys how the quality is, and I can maybe do a comparison with different cameras as well. I have this GoPro here that I sometimes use to make my videos. I can do a comparison with this GoPro. I can do a comparison with this iPhone that I'm using right now to make this video. Let me know if you guys want to see those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and let me know in the comments section what type of videos, what type of content you want to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.